Welcome to our tutorial on how to rename tasks lists in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to rename your tasks lists and customize them to suit your needs. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Once you're in the Gmail interface, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Locate and click on Tasks to open the Tasks panel. Step 3. Next to the Add a Task field, click on the More icon. Step 4. From the options that appear, select Rename List to customize the name of your tasks list. By following these quick steps, you can easily rename your tasks lists in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to personalize your lists and stay organized with your tasks. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy customizing your tasks lists in Gmail.